Breaking news out of Washington. President Donald Trump has signed an executive order officially designating Antifa as a domestic terrorist organization. This decision comes just days after the shocking killing of conservative activist Charlie Kirk, an event that has ignited outrage, protests, and fierce political debate across the nation. According to the Trump administration, labeling Antifa as a terrorist group will allow federal agencies to track, monitor, and prosecute members under anti-terrorism laws, but reactions are deeply divided. Supporters argue this move will bring law and order, while critics warn it could set a dangerous precedent, targeting political movements and infringing on free speech. On social media, the debate is raging. Hashtags like #AntifaTerror and #free speech are trending, reflecting a nation split between fears of extremism and concerns over government overreach. This is more than just a political fight. It's a cultural flashpoint shaping the future of protest, dissent, and democracy in America. What do you think? Is this a necessary step for national security, or a dangerous threat to free speech? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.